did, and like I did, add some
Yeah,
more.
I was gonna say,
Yeah.
yeah, you can always add more, because we saw how. Especially when she puts it right with the
I like black because it always like makes the paint on top.
It does. It absolutely does.
It's getting slick, so you might have to grab it pretty good to get it to spin. It's really hard.
See, I think that was a problem. My fingers were slipping on it.
Yeah. Maybe I should get like attach a stick or something,
Yeah.
so you can have some grip on it.
Like,
Look at that. There you go. You can actually see it change. That's what's so cool. You can actually literally watch it change. Wow, that pulled her sides, pulled it over your sides really
Yeah,
nice
look
too.
at the sides on there. It just really
Wow, that is
I love that
so
turquoise.
pretty.
yeah, I just want to put a little bit more blue in there.
Yeah. Do you want to torch it? The paint's still moving. It's still like.
Yeah, you can spin it. That's what she did.
Yeah,
She
you
spin
torch
it,
straight
pull-
on.
Yeah,
Spin it.
spin it and pour it on while it's spinning.
Okay.
Yeah, and then
You can,
pour it.
if you start in the middle and then go outwards, you'll get a little spiral.
There you go.
That looks like an angel.
I love the white and yellow.
It looks like an
together.
angel.
Oh, it does. You're right.
That's cool. And you can pick it up and manipulate a little bit too if you want. And if you want to torch it first.
Oh, this is really pretty.
Pretty.
Oh, I
You can see. Look, you can already see a lot of the little cells.
Give it
And you
torch
haven't
to
even-
see what happens.
Yeah, you haven't even torched it yet. And it's.
It's like alive.
That's
I
beautiful.
love it.
I think this is the most fun class so far. Aside from when you and I did those cups.
And like,
when we
look at
first
this
done
over
them. That was
here.
fun.
Yeah, and it's still forming.
If you do the torch, you'll get even more than that.
Oh, I'm really excited. I did get some black.
Go move fast. Move really fast. There you go. Don't stay in one spot too long.